Mr.Inbaraja. I am from Chennai only. I completed my graduation in B Mechanical from Rajesh Engineering College, the year of 2017. Then I worked in a non-IT department. And then in pandemic time, I faced lots of job position. Then I studied for I came here for upskilling myself in software testing courses. I studied here and I studied deep knowledge in malware testing, Selenium, SQL and Java. Now I cleared the Amazon entry process. Now it is a really great achievement for me, and thank you for Qspiders for teaching me a deep knowledge in all subjects. Thank you for Arsha sir, Selenium sir, Nandan sir, Kamay sir, and Bharat sir. Thank you for teaching me.